think in France it's worse.
Can I see some more crackers?
Yeah. Go that way.
You guys are hungry, huh? It's cool.
That's crazy. Huh?
Got seagulls.
Oh, that's seagulls there?
Yeah. Yeah. That one's missing a foot, but it probably gets enough to eat.
It's missing a foot.
Yeah, it's missing while it happens.
Ooh, look at it going.
Come on, little one. Come on, go get it.
They must be hungry.
Oh.
Here, you can have the rest.
Ain't none.
Wow.
Too many birds.
Probably hand feed them.
Y'all, no more.
Well, that was entertaining.
Look at the bird. And I guess they're not scared either, huh?
Up to a point.
Up to a point.
Up to a point, yeah.
Woo!
Oh, wow.
Take you some pictures of these, baby?
Yeah.
Okay.
A lot of birds. Too many birds.
They're pretty, though. Really.
Yeah.
Look at those ones.
I'm not standing on
I like those seagulls.
Are those seagulls?
Those are seagulls.
Oh.
Those three right there.
There's water, so there's fish, so
Yeah.
there's seagulls.
Oh.
Don't be picking my shoe.
Yeah, they're not.
No, they're not.
Of course, those guys don't hurt when they peck you.
Oh, they don't?
Not at all. No. I used to work in a pet shop. I know what hurts.
Oh.
It doesn't. I like the cinnamon one. That one's pretty.
Yeah. Yes. I like that one over there too, all by itself. That brown, that Nuez
The
sitting
white on
over
the
there.
back?
No,